Whew. That was strong. Okay. First burp already of the stream. Alright, I'm gonna... Hold on, I feel a burp coming. There you go. Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh my. Ooh. I don't know if this, like, me being scared made me burp, but Sims. There goes another burp, guys. There you go. Ooh, I feel another burp. Hold on. Hi, Mauricio. Excuse me. Whew. Anytime I get scared, I feel like I feel myself burp. Whew. I feel a burp. I feel a burp. Sounds like a... Pronounce the vocals in Spanish when you burp. You need to risk it and just go. What you mean? You just told me. Ooh. Excuse me. Ooh. Ooh. See? If I drink enough, it'll make me a bit gassy. Anyways. Ooh. Ooh. What the hell? The food makes me burp, guys, so you guys should be happy, because I haven't really been burping. First burp of the stream. There you go. Ooh, deep.
Hey, it's Paige Harris.
There you go. I burped for you guys that were asking. There you go. There you go. Here's that burp for you. There is a goodbye burp for you guys. And
Did you find your size?
woo! There's that first burp for you guys. Ooh, that was a good one. I can that sounded weird. Wow. One thing cream soda does do, from what I remember when I had my Wingstop mukbang, because that's when I drank it last, it makes me burp like crazy. That's why. I mean, the cream soda doesn't taste great, but it is making me burp. He's gonna puke in about 5 minutes.